according to your gun-loving people, it's not guns that kill people, it's people that kill people. So all I'm doing is teaching you how to build a gun, and it's your duty to shoot each other. Let me show you what I mean by this oscillation. If I put the bullet inside the coil and try to turn it on with my power supply here. Well, it's always safer not to work with live, loose wire, so instead I'm using these alligator clips here. There you go, you saw what happened. Oh. Hi, I'm done growing my Movember. My mustache made me look like a few people. One of them scared me every morning. I should remove this mustache before I die from some STD. Now, as I promised, I shall remove this mustache. Here I have some tools that I like to use. Wax is first. It is something that's designed for women, so it's pretty mild. I'll just do a very little area here to minimize the bald skin. Blood coming out of every hair hole. Why would anyone use this piece of shit? There is this other technique called electrolysis hair removal, which is again mostly used by women, and some electricity passes through the hair and it falls out. And for that purpose, I'm going to use my homemade taser. Okay, let's try it out. I once saw in an old movie that some bearded guy in an island removed his mustache with a kitchen knife without a saw, so I was wondering if that's possible. Oh, this is not doing anything. It's just peeling my skin. That was a fake. Using the knife is dangerous and will not work. I've seen some women back in Iran that burn their arm hair off on a stove, and I'm gonna try that. I have my lighter fuel here and my fire extinguisher in case anything goes wrong. Just put a dab of this on my mustache. And I'm ready to go. This is a air horn. Make yourself familiar with your tools. Hi, how to make an electric guitar? Well, I don't know. But from the name of it, it's just a combination of guitar and electricity. Here's the basic electric guitar I made with 4 strings. We can add more strings if you want to. Strings are just wires stretched over a piece of wood, tied to nails on each end. The wires at this end are tied together in pairs, as you can see, and each pair is attached to one of these cables, which we can plug them into the wall power plug. Please join me for the first time to hear how it sounds. And 1, 2, 3, 4. In some cases, due to the shock and the pain, your body can react fast. If the current goes through your vital organs like your heart or brain, you will very likely meet your maker. The funny thing is that they use electricity to save a cardiac arrest victim. Clear! What the f***? It's a pity though. I thought I could share my artistic side with you. It definitely made me behave like a rock star though. Makes me think of the similarities.
What the f***, Justin Bieber, mother f***? This is a f***ing joke.
What the f*** are you doing? Who the hell are you?
I was just passing by. I think I'm lost.
Dude, this is my bedroom. Honey, did you leave the door open again?
It's okay, I'll show myself out. What kind of fetish were you performing?
Get out!
Okay.
Imbeciles. To a grounded box. The tip of the gun here simulates a human finger. But sometimes it's also beneficial to zap a bare board like this one and see what happens on the actual board. Well, this is bullshit. Now I have to buy a new inverter. This wasn't even the focus. Okay, let's see. Is there anything on sale? Let me test a couple of these and see if it has the same crap circuit. Huh, this one has a diode drop too. Wow, even the cat has the same crappy protection. Seems like the same person designed all of them. I'll just get the cheapest one. And for that, I made this harness that you can plug to both sides. First, you plug it to the inverter. Anytime you connect a power harness, connect it to your load side first, so you wouldn't short your power supply or shock yourself. I'm only human after all. Let's very carefully plug it in. Now we can safely plug them in. Hi, 3D printing is not a new concept. In fact, 3D printers have been around for ages. Let me show you. We are the 3D printers. 3D printing is quite easy. You keep putting blocks on top of each other until you're done. A simpler technique. These machines are very much exactly almost like a hot glue gun. The heating element melts the matter. Who plugged it in? Through a push button. Super dangerous. Don't try it at home. Let me demonstrate. If I plug it into the this power supply can generate 20 volts 150. And still, if I short the power supply, I get the same 150 amps. Okay, you can see it still sparks. Let's try it out. Here's the power supply at 4 volts, and I'm going to connect this thin wire to it. And you can see how the wire melts and burns under.